Hello guys, we are again back with another video of unboxing of iPad Pro's accessories. This is the leather case cover. This is a smart cover for this iPad Pro, which was released during 2017, the newest iPad Pro. So let's unbox it. Here's the case itself. Let's remove it. Yeah, it's a pretty good leather case cover, I mean, for the iPad Pro, and nothing else in the box, just these two things. And yeah, here's the iPad Pro. And you can see, and guys, it is called the smart cover. Look, here's the smart cover. It is called the smart cover because it has a magnetic effect, and when the magnet comes close to the screen goes off. While it removes, the screen turns on again, and if we close it, the screen goes, open it, the screen comes back. That's why it is known as a smart cover. And this is the brown, and I have the another accessory, that is Apple Pencil with the pencil case matching it. And this is available in Amazon for $69. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel to watch more interesting videos.